All hands on deck, navigating the seas of English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating English phrase, all hands on deck. This idiom is not just a collection of words but a gateway to understanding English culture and language nuances. So, let's set sail and explore its meaning, origin, and usage together. All hands on deck is an idiom that originally comes from nautical language, the language used on ships. The word, hands, here is a synonym for crew members on a ship. Deck refers to the main area of the ship where the crew works. When someone says, all hands on deck, it means that everyone is needed to help, usually in a situation that requires urgent attention or effort. It's a call for full participation and team effort. While all hands on deck started on the seas, it has sailed into everyday English. It's now used in various situations, not just on ships. For example, in a restaurant, if there's a sudden rush of customers, the manager might say, all hands on deck, to get all staff members to help. It's used in offices, homes, and schools too, anywhere where there's a need for everyone to pitch in. Let's look at some examples to see how all hands on deck is used. 1. In the workplace, we have a big project deadline tomorrow, so it's all hands on deck today to get it finished. 2. In family life, we're hosting a big family dinner, and it's all hands on deck to prepare the meal and set the table. 3. In emergencies, during the flood crisis, it was all hands on deck to help the affected communities. And that's a wrap on all hands on deck. This phrase is a great example of how colorful and dynamic the English language can be. It's not just words but stories, histories, and cultures coming together. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more fun and informative English language videos.